Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FreeFire with a joystick on mobile. First, ensure your Bluetooth joystick is fully charged and successfully paired with your mobile device. Next, you will need to download a reputable keymapper application from your device's app store. There are several excellent options available. Finally, it is crucial to grant all required accessibility permissions to the keymapper app so it can overlay controls effectively. This foundational setup is essential for a smooth gaming experience. Once your keymapper is installed and permitted, launch FreeFire directly through its interface. You will then see an overlay of virtual buttons. Carefully drag and drop these virtual buttons to align perfectly with the game's on-screen controls, such as movement, firing, and aiming. The next critical step is to assign specific joystick inputs to each of these virtual buttons. This mapping ensures that when you press a button on your joystick, it accurately triggers the corresponding action within the game, providing precise control. After initial mapping, fine-tuning is key. Head into FreeFire's in-game settings and adjust the sensitivity levels for aiming and movement. This will allow for smoother, more responsive gameplay with your joystick. Do not hesitate to experiment with various button layouts within your keymapper. Finding a comfortable and efficient setup can significantly enhance your performance. Once satisfied, remember to save your custom control profile within the keymapper application. This ensures your personalized settings are readily available for every gaming session. To truly master playing FreeFire with a joystick, consistent practice is vital. Spend ample time in the game's training mode to familiarize yourself with the new control scheme and build muscle memory. Many keymapper applications offer advanced features, such as macro creation, which can automate complex sequences of actions with a single button press. Finally, always keep your keymapper application updated. Developers frequently release updates that improve performance, add new features, and ensure compatibility with the latest game versions, providing you with the best possible experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.